What's going on, guys? Welcome to ABHI Creations. Today I am going to review the Hyundai i10 Grand Asta. The Grand i10 provides to be a runway success for the Hyundai, and it has optimally mixed all the ingredients of success such as contemporary design, quality interiors, excellent fit finish, refined motors, and user-friendly driving dynamics. The spacious cabin provides an excellent all-around visibility. Electric folding rear-view mirrors can be easily controllable from the driver's side. It also have bottle holders in front and rear door. The Grand i10 is powered by a 1.2 litre petrol engine, and it makes the force of 83 PS and 140 Nm torque, and its diesel variant makes the force of 75 PS and 190 Nm torque. It's available in the market with a price ranging between 4.59 lakh for the base era petrol variant and going all the way to 7.33 lakh for top spec Asta diesel trim. The Grand i10 is giving stiff competition to the Maruti Swift and Ignis, Tata Tiago, Ford Figo and Toyota Liva among others. The boot space of this vehicle is 256 liters and it provides a better cargo volume. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and don't forget to subscribe.